Welcome to CES 2018. My name is Craig Bremner. I'm the National Sales Manager for Massive Audio. Massive Audio is introducing this year a new high-performance coax series. The series is called the FX and the FK. The FX meaning the coaxial and the FK meaning the components in this series. All the cones are polyglass woven fiber with an inverted soft dome tweeter in the center for a perfect combination of low resonance and maximum output. Sonic purity and ease of installation matching the factory locations is paramount for us in our design. You'll notice multiple input openings on the drivers. That allows you to fit into factory locations or to could be custom mounted in any automobile. Any size from a 4-inch all the way up to a 6x9 is available.